Good morning, children. How are you? Okay. Then in previous class, what we are discussing? Adding 4-digit numbers. How we add the 4-digit numbers? First, we are expanded the numbers, then add it. Okay. Every time we are expanding, then add, then again we want to make the standard form. Very lengthy problems are there. Okay, then we will reduce the steps. How we reduce? That we will check today. In previous classes, you are studying how to add the numbers using abacus. Are you remember? Using abacus, how we add the numbers? That today we are discussing how to add the numbers using abacus. Okay. In using abacus, one name is the column method addition. Addition using column method. So, today's our topic is adding using column method. Okay, how we add? Using column method. Then, just one question here. Add how many digit number here? 4 digits. 2343. How many digits? 4 digits. And 1216. 1216. We want to add 2343 and 1216. Then when we are doing one method, how? Expanded form. How we do? First, we are expand the numbers. How we expanded? 2343. How we expand? 2000 plus 2000 plus 300 plus 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 3. 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 3. That is 2343. Okay. Next number. Second number is 1216. How we expand this number? 1000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 6. Okay, just like we are doing in the previous class. First we are expanded the number 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 3. Then 1216 we can expand it. 1000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 6. Then what we do next? We are adding these two numbers. How we add? First we are adding this. 3 plus 6. Ones place. 3 plus 6. 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then tens place. 40 plus 10. 50. Then 100 place. 300 plus 200. What is that? 500. Then 1000 please. 200 plus 1000. Yes? 3000. Good. Okay. Just like we are doing in the previous classes. Here. Just like we are expanded. Then this is the expanded form of our answer. What is the standard form of our answer? Write down. 3000. Say loudly. 3559. Or say the same answer. Yes. What is the answer? 3559. Here any carry you see? Any carries? No. So we are using addition using column method without regrouping. First we are doing without regrouping. Okay, without regrouping means here not get carry. Then are you ready to do any activities? In the previous classes we are not doing. I only doing here, you are simply watching the video. So today we are doing one activity. Are you ready? So take one piece of some piece of papers, a square sheet. In your playing time, thief and police, you are playing, some square sheet is there, small squares, then old notebook page, any page, not new notebook, you pluck old notebook page, you pluck it and make a piece of papers. Are you made? Okay, ready? Then write the numbers. First paper you write this number 2343. 2343. Second paper you write 1216. Okay. Then after that in small some papers you are taking square shape. In that square shapes here 1000 place. What is the number digit here? 2000 and 1000. So you write 2 and 1. That digit only you written in that paper. 2 and 1. In one color. Use different color for identify the places. Okay. In one color you are writing 2 and 1. Second paper, another paper. Take two more paper and that paper use another color 3 and 2. Because 100 place here 3, here 2. So you write 3 and 2 in that paper. Finish. Then take two more paper. Take another color. Which number we want to write? In 10 place number 4 and 1. 4 and 1. Then take two more paper and one another color. One's place is 3 and 6. Okay. Then in old paper, and paper you took, then you write one's place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 4 digit only. So you up to 1000 you write. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, cannot take old notebook. In the notebook you write down. That is better. Okay. Ready? Then draw a column. Draw columns. You draw very neatly using pencil and scale. Using pencil and scale you draw the columns. Okay. Then after that you paste the first number. What is the first number? 2343 here. 2000 2343 first. Are you paste? Then small pieces are the 3, 4, 3, 2. That place digits, that paper you paste in the each columns. 3 in the where we place 3. Which place? First 3. Yes, ones place. You paste that ones place, that 3. Then 4 in which place? Tens place. So you paste that 4 paper. You have written the 4 piece of that paper in the tens place. You paste that 4 in the tens place. Then next again 3. Which place we want to paste? Say loudly. Yes, hundreds place. So here 100 place is 3. Then 1000 place is which number? Huh? Yes, 2. So we are writing 2 in the 1000 place. I hope that all are using different colors in each place values. Okay. In each digit you are using different colors. So ones place one color, tens place another color, 100 place another color, and 1000 place another color. Okay. Then what we want to next? You say? Yes, we want to paste second number. What is the second number? 1216. 1216. Then 6 we are where we place 6. Ones place is 6. Are you paste 6 in ones place? Then tens place which number we want to paste? 1. Okay. Then 100 place. Which number we want to place 100 place? 2. Then thousands place. Which number we want to place? Sorry, paste? 1. Very good. So you are pasting first number and second number and its digit in the places. Okay. You are making a place value chart using that paper strip. Then which operation we are doing here? Adding. So you are adding in each digit in the places. Each places we are adding. So I hope that all are pasting same color in the ones place, same color in the tens place, same color in 1000 place, and same color in 100 place also. Okay. Then we are adding these two numbers. This digit we are adding. 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6? 9. Very good. 4 plus 1. 5. Then 3 plus 2. Yes, 5. Then 2 plus 1. 3. What is the answer you get? 3559. The same answer we are using the expanded form. So, which method you are using? Here, we have first expanded the number, then adding, then again it's converted to standard form. But here, we are place the digits in the each places. Then we are adding the digits in each place. We will get the answer. Okay. Okay, we will show this how to add using abacus. This slide. Here the abacus. From the right side, each place, ones place. This is second, tens place. Third, 100, 100. Then fourth, 1000 place. So we will place each numbers. First is 2343. In this case, 3 is in the ones place. So how many beads we want to put here? Put 3 beads. Okay. Then tens place, 4 beads. 100 place, 3 beads. Then 1000 place, 2. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2343. 2343. Then we are adding here. So we are putting digit to here, this side. So 6. We are adding 6. 1216 in ones place is 6. So we are putting 6 digit beads to ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then tens place is only 1 bead. So we are taking 1 beads only here. Then 100 place 2. How many beads we want to put here? 2. 1, 2. Then 1000 place only 1. So we are taking 1 to here. Then what do you get? In ones place how many beads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In ones place is 9. You look here. Ones place is 9. Then tens place how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads? 5 beads. Here tens place is which digit? 5 digits. Then 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads here? 100 place 5 beads. So what is the digit here? 5. Then 1000 place 1, 2, 3. How many beads? 3 beads. Here digit is 3. Okay. Then we will do another problem. Add 1432 and 1432 and 3451. 1432 and 3451. First, what we want to do? We are drawing the place value column. Okay. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, okay. Then ones place is ones place. First number is 1432. Its ones place is which digit? Say loudly. 2. Very good. Then tens place 3. Hundred place 4. Thousand place 1. Then second number, which is the second number, 3451. 3451. 3451. Then in this numbers, 1 in the place of ones. Okay. Then 5 in the place of, very good, tens. 4 in the place of, yes, 100. Then 3 in the place of 1000. Then we are placing the digits in the places. Then what we do next? We are adding the digit in each places. How we add? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. What's the value of 2 plus 1? 3. 2 plus 1? 3. Then tens place is 3 and 5. 3 plus 5, what is the value of 3 plus 5? 8. Good. Then 100 place is 4 and 4. 4 plus 4, what is the value of 4 plus 4? 8. Okay. Then 1000 place 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. We are adding 1432 and 3451. What is the answer? 4883. Then here we are writing ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then we will reduce the column. Okay. This section we reduce it. How we write? Here 1432. From the right side we are writing 2 first in the right side. Second 3. Tens place is 3. 100 place is 4. Then 1000 place is 1. Then second number is 3451. 1 in the place of ones. 5 in the place of tens and 4 in the place of 100, 3 in the place of 1000. Okay. Here we are only writing the digits, not mention the places. Here I mentioned the places? No. Here only the digits. Then adding this 2 digits. In this right side first columns 2 and 1. 2 and 1, what is the value of 2 plus 1? 3. Then 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. 4,883. Here also 4,883. So we are using this column only. We want to mention the places. Here also same. Ones, tens, 100,000. I like you place the digits, but we are not mention the places. Okay, we will do another problem. Okay, from your textbook one problem is the word problem. We will do that problem now. A shopkeeper bought good worth rupees 7,520. A shopkeeper bought goods worth 7,520 in a week 1. First week he bought goods rupees 7,520. Then add rupees 2,135 in second week. 2,135 in second week. First week he bought rupees 7,520 and second week 2,135. Then how much money did he spend on goods in 2 weeks? Which operation we are doing here? In total we want to find. In both first week and second week goods worth we want to add. Okay, we want to write the steps first. So how we write the steps? First step, how much money he spent for buying goods in first week. How much money he spent? Rupees 7,520. 7,520. Then second, how much money he spent for buying goods in second week. How much money? Rupees 2,135. 2,135. Then what is the question? How much money did he spend on goods in the 2 weeks? How much money did he spend on goods in the 2 weeks? What we do? Adding the two amounts. How we add? 7,520 plus 2,135. We are draw a column. From the right side, 0, 2, 5, 7, then 5, 3, 1, 2. 7,520 and 2,135. And what we do? Adding the digits. 0 plus 5. What is the value of 0 plus 5? 5. Then 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 7 plus 2. What is the value of 7 plus 2? 9. Then what is the amount? 9,655. Okay, 9,655. Here the question is, first week he spent 7,520 rupees. Second week 2,135 rupees. Then total how much money he spent for buying goods in 2 weeks. So we are adding the two numbers or amount. So how we add? Draw a column and from the right side, ones place number 0, tens place is 2, 100 place is 5 and 1000 place is 7. And second number 2135, ones place is 5, tens place is 3, 100 place is 1, 1000 place is 2. Then we are adding each place's digits. You will get 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, today we are discussing adding using column method. In previous class we are discussing adding using expanded form. From the expanded form we are discussing how to add using column method. Here we are using column method without regrouping. Here any carry is there. So without regrouping we are discussing now. Then I hope that all are understand. We will revise topic adding using column method. We are draw column from the right side, ones place number you are writing, then tens place, then 100 place, then 1000 place. Then second numbers down, right side first you are writing the ones place number, digits, tens place digit, then 100 place, then 1000 place. Then each right side first column you are adding the digits and write down. Second tens place that you are adding down, you write. Third column you are adding and write down. And fourth column you will get the answer. Okay, more problem from your textbook and workbook, additional practice also there. We will do later. Okay, thank you.